We're seeing a lot of focus on climate change and the impacts of that on the environment. And as more of the population moves towards the coast or hurricanes seem to get stronger and go further into the U.S., we do extensive amount of impact testing on our framing systems to meet many of the different requirements and specifications for those hurricane-prone regions. We have a portfolio of storefront framing systems which are impact rated, as well as our curtain wall, which is typically your mid to high-rise type applications that have been tested for large missile and small missile impact. And then our window portfolio. We have a number of window framing systems for operation, meaning a project out or horizontal sliding window that has met the hurricane testing protocols as well. The investment is really focused on trying to create a product portfolio that meets many of the different architectural design criteria, from low-rise to mid-rise to high-rise. So as more people move into areas where there's more opportunities for hurricanes to come across, more projects are requiring that type of requirement for the building safety for the individuals inside. They can go into a school or a municipal building and know that these framing systems meet the higher design pressures or protocols to keep the people safe during a hurricane. On our Kawneer.com website, we have a section for impact-rated framing systems, and in there we have case studies around impact-rated framing systems that align with the product selection guide. And in that product selection guide, we talk about the framing system, the design pressure, is it large missile, is it small missile, and if it's for the state of Florida, we also have a Florida product approval number. And in that directory, they're able to gather a lot of information about a particular framing system that then aligns with the project-specific specification.